How can I continue getting bank loans for my buy and hold properties? The banks will not count rental income until its full 2 years of tax returns, which is almost 3 years of ownership. If I keep buying 5 units per year, my debt to income will be too high to qualify very soon. I have good W-2 income and earn a good amount of cash flow, but the bank sees me as having less and less income every time I buy a new unit until it's seasoned, even though the reality is I'm increasing my income. If your net worth is over $500,000, I think you should probably look to investing in more scalable investments where you don't have to do anything. You don't even have to put any debt in your name. Private placements and syndications. You can get more information at that on my ultimate guide at SimplePassiveCashflow.com/syndications. But to summarize here, this is kind of a moot point. I'll just say from my experience, I had 11 rental properties and I had 1 or 2 evictions a year. And some kind of big issue that came up, like leak in the basement or a tree fell on my house, maybe 4 times a year with that many rental properties. Normally I'd cash flow $200 or $300 a month on each of those rentals. So we're talking about $2,500, $3,500 of cash flow a year. Not bad, right? I mean, I'm not complaining, but let's face it, a lot of us, $2,000 or $3,000 a year is not enough for you to quit your day job or be financially free. You're going to need to triple that number. So if you're going to triple that amount of rentals and you get up to 20 or 30 of those things, now you're talking about an eviction every other month and some kind of big catastrophe that happens every other week, pretty much. And you're starting to realize how this is becoming quickly not scalable.